Here we are going outside in the blizzard. You can see there the snow blowing. Blizzard of 2010. Going down the steps. So I just walked there. The snow, look at it coming down. Let's go see. See, I'm in, when I step, I'm in all the way up to my boots. Let's go into roughing the wild. It's about two and a half feet deep because it has yesterday's snow piled up, and I just fell in a hole here. The snow from last night is here, and all the trees are weighed down. Hear the wind blowing. It's really good. The snow is good, in case you're wondering. Okay. Well, I guess it's time to go back in. We'll report back in later.